Hi guys, this is Lisa from Local King Robert Stan. Welcome to my channel. Finally, I get rid of that nasty coughing. I've been coughing for almost like 3 months, and finally, um, the doctor realized it was allergy reaction. I actually have a severe reaction of the dust. So our house is under the construction for a while, and because everything, we just get a lot of disturbed that we cannot finish this renovation. So the house have a lot of dust. So if you have some coughing, you can't find what's going on. Maybe it's allergy. Okay, so today we're going to talk about our 3 hours workshop. I have a date already. It will be October 19 at 10:30 Pacific time. So we are going to use this stamp set that I designed for our Alaska cruise. You will get this exactly the same stamp set, 14 stamps, plus some of the digital image. The digital image that I'm using, the digital image of this set. So you also will get this double die window circle die cut. We will use these to create one of the project. So here is the project. There is 10 projects you will create during these 3 hours workshop. So you will receive the stamp set, the die cut, and a pouch like that. They come with all the things you need. A lot of cutting, a lot of preparation. I like to use a good quality cardstock. Most of the cardstock I'm using is the 100 pound, 80 pounds. So and then a lot of preparation and the pre-cut. So if you have a digital die cut machine like Brother Scan Cut or the quick cut or silhouette, you will get a PNG file, and so you will get everything you need. See, like this one. And plus, you will learn a lot of different kind of technique. So 10 cards, I can promise you, you will learn something unique, and it's fun to create. Okay, so 10 of these. And then you will receive a coupon code, 30% off the coupon code, and you might get a free shipping. So I don't want to tell you right now. So just in case anything you like, and then you will get a discount for that. So 30%, maybe free shipping. We will see. And you will receive a video link after the workshop. So if you cannot make it exactly the workshop day, you can watch the replay of the video. I will record something on the cruise and then to share with you guys. Basically is pretty much the same project, except they have to pay $150 when they are going on the cruise, and they have to work longer. So and then for you, the price is only $89.99, but wait, there's early bird special. You will get $10 off plus the free shipping. I will start to shipping all your kit by the end of August because I have to actually make it and create all the kit. So if you already placed your order and then you haven't received if you haven't paid, you haven't received your invoice, don't panic. I usually will send you the invoice before I send your order. So what's in hurry? Just take your time, okay? And then so that's pretty much about it. So next Tuesday, Nod and I we are actually heading to Cincinnati for the Stamping Away show. I am teaching 2 classes. One class is already sold out. The other one we have one last spot left. So it's for the magic mushroom. If you are in the area and well, just check it out. I will also put the link below. And then if you're living in Cincinnati or Ohio area, make sure you come to visit us. So the show is a Friday. They have 3 hours, 3 hours on Friday, and then it's going to be only 1 day show. It's a good show. I like it, and we have a free make and take running the whole day at our booths is completely free. Make sure you stop by and do your free make and take. And we have an awesome promotion on the show floor. So for this workshop, there is some basic tools that you need. And I will put the link below. You can just click the link and then check all the material you use. If you don't have to be exactly the same thing that I'm using, just be creative. And remember, you can always watch the replay video. So that's everything. And now I get my health back, and I think after our Alaska cruise, I'm gonna have a lot of time, and I'm going to try to create some video to share with you guys. Okay, so that's everything for today. I just found out recently my eye vision is very bad. I have to wear the reading glass now, but I do look a little bit smarter with the glass on, isn't it? Okay, thank you so much for watching, and we're gonna see you next time. Oh, sorry, I forgot. The early bird promotion $10 cheaper is going to end the end of the July. So in August, the price will jump back to $89.99, and there's a free shipping. So think about it. $17.99 is not actually not a very bad deal. You get a free the whole set. You get the window die cut. You get a 3 hours workshop. You get the package of 10 cards, so you can create a king card, and everything is pre-cut. And plus, you will get a 30% coupon code. Maybe I'm going to offer the free shipping for your order too. Okay, so if you're interested, order your kit today. They are limited, and we already I already sold half of them. So get your spot today. This is Lisa from Local King Robert Stamp. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye, guys.